In Serious Fraud Office and Others versus Litigation Capital Limited and Others, Harbour Fund 2 LP applied to debar Mr. Nicholas Thomas from participating in a hearing to determine whether the Harbour investment agreement remained enforceable following PACAR. Harbour relied on Mr. Thomas's failure to comply with a debarring directions order requiring evidence about Dr. Gerald Smith's involvement and funding sources, together with his history of unpaid costs orders. Justice Henshaw, drawing on principles from Michael Wilson and Partners Limited versus Sinclair and Arrow Nominees Incorporated versus Blackledge, held that while Mr. Thomas's evidence was unsatisfactory and his prior conduct persistent and collusive, debarring was disproportionate. The PACAR issue was discrete and distinguishable from abuse of process, and outstanding costs orders lacked sufficient nexus to the enforceability hearing. However, exercising jurisdiction under Rule 3.15 for breach of court orders, the court ordered Mr. Thomas to provide £200,000 security for costs, finding this a proportionate response to his non-compliance where debarring would be unjust in the specific circumstances. Quote, "In all the circumstances, I am not persuaded that it is abusive for Mr. Thomas to have raised the PACAR argument, or to defend or cross-apply in the Harbour enforceability application based on that argument, or, at any rate, that it is sufficiently abusive to justify debarring him from participation in the hearing of that application, either immediately or unless he complies with conditions of the kind proposed, in the alternative, by Harbour."
For a detailed summary of this decision, visit tmclegal.co.uk.